Hi, my name is Dr. Robert Shafton. I was born and raised in Chicago and attended the Francis Parker School, where I learned to think critically, take initiative, and stay grounded through service, sports, and the arts. That foundation really shaped who I am today. I went on to graduate from the University of Michigan at Ann Arbor, where I studied the humanities and social sciences. And that's where I realized I wanted to become a doctor. After graduation and a few years of working, I completed my pre-medical studies at Harvard University. I then returned home to Chicago to earn my MD from the University of Illinois College of Medicine. After medical school, I completed my internship at the Rambam Hospital in Haifa and then started a neurosurgery residency. Over time, my focus shifted and I transitioned to urgent care, in which I treated thousands of adult and pediatric patients over the years for both acute and chronic conditions. That experience taught me how to be self-directed, dynamic, and to adapt to complex situations. I'm now based in Valencia, Spain, preparing to practice medicine here while mentoring students as an admissions coach. At Michigan, I served as an editor of the Michigan Journal of Political Science, which strengthened my leadership and teamwork skills. Later, while working at an investment bank, I volunteered at UCSF on a neuropsychiatric research project that led to my first publication, confirming that medicine was my calling. Then, while taking the pre-med courses at Harvard, I joined a psychiatry research group in the medical school and volunteered on the pediatric oncology ward at Boston Children's Hospital. As a medical student at UIC, I interviewed applicants on behalf of the admissions committee and served as a class representative on the Student Advancement Committee. That role involved setting academic policy and supporting students who were having difficulty progressing through the curriculum. All of these experiences gave me unique insight into the medical school admissions process and what it takes to succeed once you're there. Of course, the basic ingredients of success, discipline, focus, and hard work, are crucial. But your success will also depend on balance, maintaining your physical, emotional, and mental health. There's a saying that the first 2 years of medical school are like drinking from a fire hose, and it's normal to feel overwhelmed at times. More attention is now being paid to burnout among medical students. But with self-care and a good support system, you will thrive. Ultimately, the more you stay grounded in who you are, the better you'll be able to take care of others. It's important to pursue interests in medicine that truly inspire you and to keep developing yourself as a person. This will serve you well in medical school and beyond. Admissions committees will notice if you demonstrate perseverance and show that you're well-rounded and balanced. My approach goes beyond checking boxes and deadlines, though of course those are important too. I help students to see the bigger picture, to go beyond conventional wisdom, to work on themselves in a holistic way, and not to worry too much about what simply will make them look better on paper. Admissions committees are eager to find well-rounded applicants, not just high achievers, but people who are resilient, compassionate, humble, and reflective. My broad experience enables me to see the whole person, helping you tell your authentic story and focus on your long-term purpose in medicine. My goal as a consultant isn't just to help you get into the medical school of your dreams. Of course, that's part of it, but to prepare you for the journey ahead. Through every stage of my education and medical practice, I've learned lessons that help me to guide others. I see myself not just as a consultant, but as a coach, a mentor, and a cheerleader. I'll take the time to really get to know who you are, where you're coming from, and what drives you. I'll help you to stay organized and confident, and I'll go above and beyond to make sure that you feel supported every step of the way. I'll be there for you as much as you need me. It's truly an honor to guide future physicians. I know firsthand how valuable mentorship can be, and how hard it is to navigate challenges without the right guidance and support. Looking ahead, I want to help you prepare for the future of medicine, which is already being transformed by artificial intelligence. My goal is to help you not only adapt to that reality, but to thrive in it by discovering your unique strengths, your passions, and the impact you want to make in this new era of medicine.